Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Akash and I am studying grade 8 from PMB school. I live in Hyderabad. I'm from Lanka.
Tell me, what is chemistry?
Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of composition, structure, and changes in matter.
Okay, so what is matter?
Anything that has mass and occupies is called matter.
How many states of matter are there?
There are basically three states which we usually found on Earth. Number one solid, number second liquid, and third one is gas.
Only on Earth? Only on Earth? The states of matter are found on Earth? Usually. Otherwise not. The matter is found in the entire universe. It has nothing to do with the Earth. No?
Yes.
Okay, what is a particle?
Particle is the smallest unit of matter.
Smallest unit. Can a molecule be a particle?
Yes.
Can a molecule be a particle?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what is the difference between atom, element, molecule, and compound?
Atom is the smallest particle that takes place in chemical reaction. Element is a substance that is made up of same kind of atoms. Molecule is made up of two or more atoms chemically joined together.
And compound?
Compound is also made up of two or more atoms, different atoms.
So what is the difference between molecule and compound?
Molecules. Compound can be molecular or ionic. Molecules are also compounds like molecular compound. Molecules have ionic covalent bond between them, they have covalent bond, but compounds also can be ionic.
What is diffusion?
Diffusion is the process of mixing, spreading, and moving from higher concentration to lower concentration particles.
And what are ions?
Ions are charged particles that carry a charge because they lose or gain electrons.
Does matter change its state?
Yes.
So what are the processes of changing the state?
If matter change the state from solid to liquid, this process is called melting. And if matter change from liquid to gas, this process is called boiling. If matter change its state from gas to liquid, this process is called condensation. And if matter change its state from liquid to solid, this process is called freezing.
Why do different elements have different boiling and melting points?
Because they are different elements or substances.
Different substances have different, melting and boiling point. Also elements.
Because these substances have different chemical bonding.
Different chemical bonding. What do you think? Which types of bonds have highest boiling and melting point?
Covalent bond.
Covalent bond.
Oh, ionic bond.
You mean ionic bond?
Sorry,
Covalent or ionic?
Ionic.
What is the difference between covalent bond and ionic bond?
Ionic bond formed when an atom lose or gain electron, and covalent bond formed when two non-metal atoms share their electrons with each other.
What is valency?
Valence is the power of gaining, losing, or sharing of electrons of an atom.
Why do atoms gain or lose electrons or share electrons?
Because they want to be stable in the nature.
Okay. And how will they be stable?
If their outer shell will be full with electrons.
And what is this full outer shell?
Their outer shells have 2 or 8 electrons.
What is the boiling point of water?
Indian Celsius degree, the boiling point.
And melting point?
0 Celsius degree.
And what is the melting point of oxygen?
Minus 290.
And melting point of diamond?
Then if 3500 degree Celsius degree.
Tell me, what is a periodic table?
Periodic table is a table in which elements are arranged in groups and periods based on their atom number.
Tell me the names of first 20 elements.
First 20 elements: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium.
Tell me names of these elements again with their atomic number, atomic mass, and their symbols.
Hydrogen atomic number is 1 and atomic mass is 1, and symbol of hydrogen is H. Helium symbol is He and atomic number is 2, atomic mass is 4, and lithium symbol is Li, atomic number is 3, atomic mass is 7, and magnesium symbol is Mg and atomic number is 4 and atomic mass is 9, and number 5 is boron symbol is B and atomic number is 5 and atomic mass is 11. Carbon symbol.
Okay, how many total elements are there in the periodic table?
18 elements, 118 elements are there.
And how many are natural and how many are synthetic among them?
24 are natural and other are synthetic elements.
Okay. These periodic tables, the elements in these periodic tables are divided in how many parts? In how many types are they divided?
They are divided into 8 groups, 7 periods, and 4 blocks.
What is the difference between metal, non-metal, and metalloids?
Metals can conduct electricity, they are soaked. Non-metals does not conduct electricity and they do not.
They do not conduct electricity, or they are bad conductors of electricity,
They are bad conductors.
or they don't completely conduct electricity. They don't completely conduct electricity, or they are simply bad conductors. What is the difference between that? Completely and bad conductors. Huh?
Non-metals.
Let's say there is an element and its atomic mass is 35 and its atomic number is 17. Tell me how many protons are there, electrons are there, and neutrons are there?
There are 17 electrons and 17 protons and 13 neutrons.
13,
18.
18.
Yes.
And which element am I talking about in this example?
Chlorine.
Chlorine.